Hey guys, so I've had this lathe for about 12 years. I got it from Harbor Freight and I like it. I've been doing a lot of pen turning with it and it works really well. But I hate this tool rest. It's just so small and it's got little gouges in it, and the tools, you can feel it bumping on it, and I just don't like it. The set screw here, the plastic, is kind of molded to the bolt and it's stripped out over the years, so I end up using a pair of pliers to actually tighten it up. So what I'm going to do today is I bought a 3-foot piece of this 1/2 inch rod. It's plated, and then I bought this 1/4 inch rod, and I'm going to use this to make a nice round tool rest. I've seen them, but I'm too cheap to buy one. This only cost me $3. I think this was right around $3 too. So I'm going to make a new handle for this out of the small 1/4 inch rod, and I'm going to replace this with a nice round tool rest that the tools will slide on real smooth. Problem is, I believe this is 7/16 because it's not 3/8, it's not 1/2 inch. So this is half, they didn't have 7/16. So what I've been doing is I've been taking it to the sander over there, the bench sander, and I'm trying to grind this down as smooth as I can. So we'll start with that. Okay, so I got it filed down. It didn't take long. It only took maybe 4 or 5 minutes to do that. So now I need to cut that off. And since I have no metal cutting tools, that's how I gotta do it. So now I need a tool rest, and this one actually is about the right length for pens anyway, or for me. So I'm probably going to make the new one the same length. It's close enough. Okay. So, now we cut it again. Okay, so here's something you don't use very often, but it is a must-have. I love my wife for buying this for me. What I'm going to do is just MIG weld these together. I just got laying on a sheet of metal. Got some board under here, a couple little boards so I don't burn my top, and grounded right there. Okay, so I got it mounted in here just so I can clean it up a little. No reason. Doesn't need to be, but make it somewhat pretty. Okay, there it is, guys. Is it gorgeous? Absolutely not. Is it store-bought? Absolutely not. But it does the same thing that the $20-some store-bought ones will do. And it cost me about $3. And plus I got a ton. No, not a ton, I shouldn't say that. I got about 2 foot of extra rod so I could actually make a longer one if I wanted to. Fits right in. Just as good as the store-bought one, in my eyes anyway. And now, nice smooth surface. Alright, that's it for that. For this here, I'll go ahead and shoot that video too, since I already told you about it. But all I'm going to do is I'm just going to thread that rod, and I'll probably just bring it out and put a little bend to it so that I can tighten it and loosen it. But I'll go ahead and shoot that one too, since I already told you I would.